Once upon a time, there was a boy named Adam. He wanted to learn English, but he didn't know where to start. Every time he tried to speak, he felt shy and nervous. His words came out slowly, sometimes wrong, and people laughed a little. One day, he decided, enough is enough. He said, I want to speak English confidently. I want to understand movies, songs, and people. That was the day his journey began. The first thing Adam did was simple. He started listening. Every morning he played short English audios while brushing his teeth, making breakfast, or walking to school. He didn't understand everything, but that was okay. He knew that listening would train his ears to recognize the sounds, rhythm, and flow of real English. Day by day, his brain started to understand words without even thinking. That's when he learned the first big lesson. To speak English well, first listen a lot. Every morning, Adam spent just 10 minutes practicing English aloud. He stood in front of the mirror, looked at himself, and said things like, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I'm feeling happy. I will do my best." At first, it felt strange, but slowly he started to feel more confident. He wasn't just repeating words, he was training his mouth, his voice, and his brain to think in English. When he made mistakes, he smiled and said, "It's okay, I'm learning." He learned another big secret. Don't wait for perfect English. Just start speaking, even if it's simple. Adam didn't only study from books, he started using English in his daily life. When he saw an apple, he said to himself, "This is an apple." When it started raining, he said, "It's raining outside." When he met his friends, he greeted them in English. "Hey, how are you?" He realized that English isn't just a subject, it's a habit. He didn't have to sit and memorize grammar rules. He just needed to connect English with his real life. That's the third big lesson. Make English part of your daily routine. One day, Adam found something new: shadowing. He played short English videos and tried to repeat what the speaker said at the same time, like an echo. At first, it was hard, but after a few days, he started matching the rhythm and pronunciation. His speaking became smoother, his accent improved, and his confidence grew faster than ever. He learned another secret. If you want to sound natural, shadow real English speakers. Adam didn't try to learn 100 words in one day. He learned only 5 or 10. But he used them. He said them aloud. He made sentences. He wrote short notes using those words. Like, "I need water." "This book is interesting," or "I'm learning English every day." He believed in small steps, because small steps taken every day create big change. And you know what? It worked. In just a few months, his English improved so much that his teacher was surprised. He could express his thoughts clearly, and his friends started asking, "Hey Adam, how did you become so good at English?" He smiled and said, "I didn't learn fast. I learned slow, but every single day." Adam also practiced speaking with others. He joined online English groups, talked with his classmates, and sometimes recorded his own voice. When he listened to himself, he noticed small mistakes and corrected them next time. Slowly, his fear disappeared. He started enjoying conversations. He realized that English was not scary anymore. It was fun. He learned the most important rule of all: confidence comes from practice. As time went on, Adam started watching English movies with subtitles. He repeated his favorite lines from characters. He sang along with songs, even if he didn't understand every word. Every movie, every song, every short story gave him new words and phrases. He started thinking in English without even trying, and that's when he truly became fluent. After 1 year, Adam looked back and smiled. He realized that English was never a mountain. It was a journey. A journey that started with small steps, daily practice, and confidence. He understood something powerful. If you believe in yourself and keep going, you will definitely improve. So, if you are watching this video right now, remember Adam's story. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't compare yourself with others. Just start. Today, right now. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak with confidence. Because the best way to improve your English is not to study harder. It's to practice every day in small, fun, and real ways. You can do this. You can speak English beautifully, naturally, and confidently. Every word you say brings you one step closer to fluency. Don't stop. Don't doubt yourself. Just keep practicing. Now repeat after me. I can speak English. I'm improving every day. I believe in myself. That's the spirit. Keep learning slowly and confidently. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep shining, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.